Yeah. What's up, guys? Today I'm making good on my promise that I made a year ago that you guys haven't really seen. So basically, I'm going to be reacting and ranking all 12 endings and the one opening of Chainsaw Man. I watched the show almost a year ago now. You'll have like my first reactions to most of them. I didn't react to all of them when I was watching because I got too excited by some episodes and just skipped through them to go to my review. But anyways, here we'll be ranking and reacting to them. I listen to every single one of these songs, just about. I think I have like 9 or 10 out of the 12 songs in my anime playlist. So I know all these songs by heart for the most part. I don't speak Japanese, but you know what I'm saying. For the most part, I don't even really need to listen to the songs to rank them. I have a pretty good idea where I'm going to put them, and some of my picks may surprise you. Stick around to find out. But I'm going to be listening to the song first anyway, to make it more engaging for you guys. And also, I love these songs, so it's a win-win. All right, let's get into it. We're going to start with Kickback. Let's turn the shit up. Absolutely legendary. Power best girl. You guys will see. I don't know if you'll be able to see well on YouTube, but yes. I love the dance they do at the end like this. You'll be able to see on Patreon. I'll probably splice some of it into my YouTube reactions when I edit them. I love you. Is that Okarun's golden ball? I just finished episode 7 of Dawn to Dawn, and that's when I'm recording this. And goddamn, was that fucking devastating. That episode was devastating. So I'm doing this to cheer me up. It's my dance. Otherworldly. I love how there's no F on this. They just know. They know there's no trash songs in here. I didn't even bother adding it because there's no trash songs in here. Easy S tier, one of the best anime openings of that year, possibly all time. I liked that song when I first heard it, but I definitely wasn't like, ooh, like no Diddy, like head over. You get what I'm trying to do? Yeah, but over time, man, that became one of my favorite songs. Time for Chainsaw Blood. I already knew what it was called. I like the song.
With dirty loofahs.
You're a YouTuber now. Maybe you should have YouTube Red.
Body buffer and body wash
Nope.
bundle.
I'm not ranking by visuals. We'll be here all goddamn day, but Chainsaw Man's some of the best. I really hope when they come back for season 2, they do this again, because they're one of the, maybe the only anime I've ever seen do this. With different songs for every ending. Genius. Honestly, genius. Ooh, 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 ooh. Chainsaw Man. Ooh, ooh. Chainsaw Man. This literally could have been the opening, and I would have been totally fine with it. It should have been the ending for the whole season. I would have been totally fine with it. Yeah, I honestly think it's that good. I do. By the way, I'm ranking these in order, but not with the opening. I mean, even if I was counting the opening would probably still be first, let's be honest. But I'm going to be ranking these in order. Yeah, I'm going to be ranking these in order. Just a badass song. Up next, ending 2. Nope, just kidding. Up next,
and get some magic.
another ad. Zutomeo. The Don Don opening is good. Yeah, keep glazing Don Don. I will. It's good. This is one of my favorites. This is the first things I ever heard by this. This is the first time I've ever heard of this band, and this is gonna rank pretty highly. Everyone knows. I know. Everyone knows. Come on, Power. Get to work. Dude, they got so much swag, just the way they sound, the way their instruments are. They're the embodiment of drip. The antithesis of the dripithis. Yeah. Ready? Best part. Ready? Chainsaw Man. Zutomeo. Top of S tier for endings. Honestly, but it doesn't want to. I might like that song more, but like I said, this is, you know what? I'm gonna do something I should have done a long time ago. There we go. Ending 3. You ready for this one? This is a lot of people's favorite ending. For a good reason. Maximum the Hormone, baby! This is the most, like, what the hell just happened ending. Name of devil. They put subtitles in for me. That's very nice of them. And the name of devil. I love this song. They put subtitles there for me too. That was very nice of them. The god herself, Makima. And the slave. Yeah, beg like the dog you are. Okay, beautiful vocals. God tier. I nutted the first time I heard that, and I just nutted again. No Nut November, officially broken. Thank you, Maximum the Hormone. You got mine all riled up. Honestly, I like the Zutomeo song more. I didn't at first, right? But like with a lot of these songs, the more and more that you listen to them, I don't believe, right? I'm not a believer in saying because a song is overplayed that it is suddenly all of a sudden trash, or because you overplayed something that it makes it no longer as good. If anything, it's a testament to how good it is that you listen to it so many times. Like, everyone gets song fatigue from shit. Like Like even like certain songs I listen to all the time that I love to death, I'll skip, yeah, because I heard it so many times, but I'll still acknowledge its placement. That song made me listen to it so much that I now don't get the same feeling, you know? But then you come back or certain moods you're in, then you will get that feeling for those types of songs, you know? So I will never say like just because something is overplayed that it's suddenly overrated. That's a bogus way of thinking. That's trash. No. Speaking of trash, might need to add a tier, but this song when I first heard it definitely was over Zutomeo's song. But now it still might be a better song. But like, which one do I listen to more? Do I want to listen to more? Which one gives me like the best feeling? Zutomeo song, because it's just groovy, right? It's groovy, it's funky, you can vibe to it. This one, like, you want to crack an egg down your throat and mash your head on a pan of bacon. Good job, brain. Ending 4, one of the best ones for sure. This might be better than I remember. I don't know. Visual-wise, they're cooking. I mean, it's power. I'm okay. Hey. She broke the borders like Goku in the Dragon Ball manga. She broke the panel, guys. Damn, Power be doing a lot. Graduating, cheerleading, boxing. Power is the GOAT of Chainsaw Man. Now she's Chi-Chi? Or Chun-Li? All their blood weapons. There's the toilet. I was waiting for it. Hey. I don't know what it is about anime girls dancing and opening and ending songs, but I know what it is. We all know what it is. Ooh. Japanese people are just they're just so creative. They have so much creativity. They just have so much fucking sauce. That wasn't nearly as bad as I remember it. I'm gonna give it a B. That was listenable. It was good. Let me add it here. I know I'm not gonna need to use it, but just in case. All right. And then 5 next. Konobi! I just butchered her name. Oh, eye patch girl. Ayami? It's been a while since I watched Chainsaw Man. Hasn't been a while since I heard this song though. Damn, I can't remember the eye patch girl's name. That's bumming me out. That song was really good. A tier. That was great. Really good song. I think I still like Chainsaw Blood more, so I'm happy with my ranking so far. But will you guys be? Ain't that a question? And then 6, baby. Which one's this one? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Yep. Still inside the hotel. Aki! I can't wait to continue my journey with these characters, man. They're all so great. Denji, most relatable protagonist that ever existed, I think. Just wants to dance. The Gun Devil. Oh shit. Guys, I'm sure you see me fidget with my ears a lot. My holes are too loose. Can't do no Kegels inside my eardrum. Another good song. I wanna put that. Does it really deserve A though? I have that song on my playlist. I like it. It's a nice vibe. I feel like it's kind of plain though, right? Like even the full version, when I listen to the full version, they don't really change anything up too much. It's just kind of that same thing we heard, but just like repeated, right? It's not as good as opening 5. It's definitely better than opening 4. But is it worthy of A tier? Honestly, my gut's just telling me not. But it's not a bad song. Honestly, if anything, I'm being nice to this because I probably would have put that in C tier. But I enjoyed that more than I did. This is not on my playlist. But I enjoyed it listening to it more that time than I did the last time I listened to it. So that's why it's there. Ending 8. The infamous puking thing. There's a song coming up that I guess a lot of people don't like, which is one of my favorites, and I can't wait for you guys to see what I do with that. Well, it's one of my favorites, right? So, kind of just spoiled it. Oh, the Ano one. She's awesome. I love her. I watched the video about her life. She's sweet. She's sweet. She's the opposite of sweet. That's why she's awesome. That's in case anyone tries to bust up in here. I think she would appreciate this. Get on, Chew. That's what she's saying. Get on, Chew. I want her to get on, if you know what I'm saying. With all respect. She's just the best. I absolutely love her. Top of A tier. Is it even better than opening 5? I don't know, but I'm biased. And I normally I'm not super into the anime singers that have the super girly cutesy voices. I like it in Hanabi. I think you pronounce it Hanabi. I don't know if it's Hanabi or Hanabi, but the metal band with all females in it, they're fucking awesome, right? But they mix the cutesy girly anime girl sounds and noises with just hardcore new freaking heavy death metal face fucking orgasming guitar riffs and screams. So that's kind of breaking the rule for that. But all right, yep, there we go with that. Ending 8, the TK one. That's all you need to know. The TK one. I don't think TK has ever made an anime opening song that I didn't like. How can you? With his godly voice. Hey, yo. Is this the episode where she died? I think it's next one. Or she was about to die at the end of this episode, yeah. Rest in peace to our girl, man. Going at S, right below Zutomeo. Was that predictable? Well, I don't give a fuck. That's where it belongs. That's where it belongs. And another goated artist here with Aimer. All right, boys, let's get in our emotional bag on this one. I'm a fucking fake fan, man. I'm a fucking fake fan. The fuck? Himeno. It's fucking Himeno. Now I remember. Fuck did I call her Miyabe? GTO. I hate that girl. Himeno's the goat. Oh, I remember these visuals being amazing. Her sacrificing every single part of her body for the man she loved. Sing it, girl. I like to imagine like this is like Himeno singing it like as her soul's passing on. Fucking Aimer, man. Fucking evil bitch. She hasn't even done anything too bad in the anime yet, but I just know she's fucking, it's obvious. That last cigarette as her life fades. Woo! I've had enough emotional shit today. I don't need this. I don't need this, man. H tier for Himeno. I'm putting that at the top of A. I would listen to Ending 7 probably more, right? But when you are listening to that song absolutely hits in all the right crevices. Amazing. And Aimer, amazing artist. And I said I wasn't taking visuals into account, but man, hand in hand. And those are simple visuals too. But it's the impact, staying power, emotional resonance. Okay. And a 10. Arf, arf. Arf, arf. Hit the chainsaw. the Chainsaw Man dance. Shit was so fire. That shit was so fire. I lost my goddamn Beats pill. Beats. Imagine having a whole goddamn Beats pill in your ear. I mean, we basically do now, right? Dogland. Top of S. I fucking love that song. I don't know what is that. It's just the epitome, the embodiment, the reincarnation, if you will, of a good fucking vibe. That song is a vibe. I don't care what anyone says. Passes all the vibe checks. It's a slapper, a snapper, and a booty clapper. That song is S. My favorite Chainsaw Man ending. Period. Until the next one. No, I'm just kidding. I just spit everywhere. Yeah. Ending 12, I don't even remember that song that much because I was so infatuated with like just watching them like spend time together and I was extremely drunk. You guys see what the name of my channel is, all right? I switched to Monster now. I'm only drunk during my videos now sometimes. Sometimes. I'm working, all right? I don't get drunk at work, all right? Can't shit where you eat. Unless, like, you know, I'm just in the mood and I'm like, you know what? I'm about to ruin some people's days by being obnoxious. Is this Queen Bee? I don't remember who this is. Speaking of a good ass vibe, sometimes I do get sick of the song though. Violent. Violence. You guys can go back and watch my, well, I can't put them on YouTube, but on Patreon, you can watch my original reactions to, I know it's about to drop. Don't worry. See? Huh? You can watch my original reactions from like my in the moment first time listening to the songs and fact check me now. Opinions change over time, obviously, but see, it'd be cool to see how my opinions changed or differed, or if I was just glazing them when they were first coming out, or what, you know, or maybe I hated them and I like them now. I might compile actually a video doing that. We'll see. But anyway. Best part of the song, ready? Violence, violence. No Diddy. No Diddy. Bottom of S tier. Amazing song. I feel like I could probably put it in A, but it's a vibe. Like on some days, depending on my mood, I would like it more than Chainsaw Blood, because the guy's just riding. If it's Queen Bee, then definitely riding the beat. Like Queen Bee's awesome. I'm pretty sure this is Queen Bee, but yeah, like the beat is funky. The beat it's colorful. It's playful. It's fun. A little. I guess you call it basic, but basic isn't bad. And then just like the artist's presence on it is really what captivates me. Obviously, well, Now I just sound dumb. Usually, obviously, the artist presence on their own song should be what's captivating you, you know? But nowadays, with all these fucking new age Gen Z rap fans, that's not the case. And I'm not throwing shade. I have a lot where I'm subject to that too, but it has to still catch me, even if like Yeet, for instance. Yeet is trash. I love him because he knows he's trash with bars, but that's not the point of his music. It's to create a vibe and to create an atmosphere on the track, right? Which he does really well with his vocals and his beat selection. So you can't hate on that. He knows what he's purposely making and he puts it out there. Shit like that, like a lot of Lil Uzi Vert songs. Uzi has bars sometimes. Sometimes he sure the hell fucking doesn't. But he knows how to make hits. Not that last album though. Eternal Take Two was fucking dog cheeks. Speaking of dogs. All right, and then 12, last song. I don't really remember this one. The kick in the nuts. Oh yeah, they're straight up just showing scenes from the show, and that's why I loved it, because I consider this canon now, right? Because like now they're showing some more quality bonding time for them. After Hours. Oh, I remember this. Is this Eve? This is Eve. It's Eve. How the fuck did I not remember this song? It's fucking Eve. I don't have this on my playlist, I don't think. God damn! I think I paused during that on my reaction too. Oh man, dude, Eve. They're hit makers, man. They are fucking hit makers. I love their relationship. They're so fun together. I'm sorry, Power, though. You have been replaced by Momo. For now. Not as waifu. Jesus Christ, relax. As favorite anime girl at the moment. I take it back. That's my favorite anime girl. Dog Boy. Such good vibes, man. Yeah, Aki's gonna need a few more of those to deal with these fucking idiots. Ooh. Banger. Kitty. Meowie. Oh man, I love these fucking characters, man. Nothing bad better happen to them, I swear to God. I'll find the mangaka and marry her. Or him. Damn, now I gotta remember. So this is TK, Zutomeyo, Dogland, Maximum the Hormone, Chainsaw Blood. S tier. Above the last one, below Chainsaw Blood. Does that? Am I retarded for that? Don't answer that. This is my tier list, guys. Tell me what you think about it. Drop your own down in the comments if you feel like it. If not, well, shit. I don't have a gun to your head. I do have a knife up there though, so don't fuck with me. I love you guys. Have an awesome day. Take care of your families, and later.